My name is Marvin Laurie, and today we're going to be talking about the basics of the HVAC system. This is a 1998 Audi A4 2.8. This is a school display of HVAC system, and these are the components laid out here. This is the controls. This right here is the inside vents that usually be inside your car. This is the compressor. This is the accumulator. Back here is the evaporator. Down here we have the condenser and the fan system. The basics about an HVAC system. The compressor has two sides. This is the high side, which is the discharge side, and then we have the low side, which is the suction side. The compressor pushes high pressure gas down through this tube here and goes to the condenser. Then the condenser transforms the high pressure gas into a high pressure liquid. Then the liquid comes up through this tube here and it hits this, which is the orifice tube. This is a hvac system, which has the accumulator. That's how you can tell both systems apart. The TX version has a dryer, and the FOT system has the accumulator. And from here, this is still a high pressure liquid until it hits the orifice tube, and from here it slows down to a low pressure liquid, and then it goes into the evaporator, and then the evaporator changes the liquid into a low pressure gas, and then the low pressure gas comes down this tube here, and then it runs into the accumulator. The accumulator is used to take any liquid form that's still in the gas, bubbles, so it won't give you bubbles, into the condenser. From the accumulator, it goes into the condenser. The condenser on this side
compressor.
The compressor. And on the high side of the compressor, the hottest line is from the high side, straight from the compressor down to the condenser. And then it continues to be hot from the condenser all the way back up to the orifice tube. And then from the orifice tube, it changes pressure and then goes into the evaporator, and from the orifice tube to the evaporator it changes degrees, and it's the coolest line here. That's the basis of the HVAC system. Thank you.